I got my sous vide machine out again because I like it a lot. And I also got a big piece of pork shoulder, brown sugar barbecue. And this is one of those oven safe packages that you could buy at your store that you can just bake in this bag. And I like it for sous vide because it's already sealed in a bag. It's marinated. You're supposed to remove these labels before you cook so the water circulating around doesn't destroy them and clog up your unit. So I'm going to remove them. This is 3.31 pounds and it costs $18.17 from Wegmans. I don't know if you have a Wegmans near you. I'm also going to vacuum seal it as well, just for extra safety, because I'm not going to be home. That's what I want to show you. That's so great about this sous vide. It'll cook all day when you're not here. So there it is, a beautiful brown sugar barbecue pork shoulder. Nice new sous vide machine. I got a lid for my container here. You can also use this in a regular pot, like a spaghetti pan, something that holds a lot of water. You can use it like that as well. First I'm going to add some water to my container, and for this unit you need to be at least above that line and below that line, but it's going to change when we add the meat. The water level will rise. Put an amount of water in here to begin with. That's an amount to start with. Now, like I said, that will rise up when I add the heavy piece of meat there. I have an extra sealing bag. I'm going to seal that up in my vacuum sealer for extra safety. Remember how I do that, right? You have one of the vacuum sealers? I'm going to get another one soon, but this is a good one too. Here, first we got to seal the end of this. Where is it? There it is. You could also use a Ziploc bag. You don't have to do this, but I like it. First seal that end. Just seal. Seal. Then we'll vacuum. Seal. Okay. And then just seal. And put the meat in. Vacuum seal the other end. And I don't expect the vacuum to hold all day because as the meat shrinks, it gets more room in the bag and it's not vacuum tight enough. See? Now let's seal this end. If we can with one hand. Get that flat in there. Go this way. Look out, look out. Told you I need a bigger house. Lay this down here. Still there? Now we want vacuum. Stops and sealing now. Okay. Nice. Extra safety, just so I don't make a mess in there, since I'm not going to be home. Get this out of my way. Remember, this is my AUAG sous vide cooker, which I got about 3 weeks ago maybe, and I like it a lot. Let's add our unit. Okay. It's at the bottom line now. When I add the meat, it's going to go up. We want it submerged. See? And I will add water. When I stop back home later, it's going to evaporate somewhat. In fact, I'll add more water right now. Because this will evaporate through the day. There, I'm still not at the top line. That's good. I like that. Very good. Put the lid on. Handy lid. When I got this hole wasn't big enough for this unit. I had my friend Mike cut it out a little bit for me. And it's nice now. Special saw. So you don't break it all up, you know. Connect this here. This has a lot of safety precautions built into it. Like it won't run if it's not in water. And it has a reset here on the plug, like a kind of a ground fault. Now I'm going to go to a pork setting. Let me turn off the light and show you how this works on top here. There, maybe you can see the display better. See, it has normal. It has 30 presets that are already set for times and temperatures. It has Celsius or Fahrenheit. I want Fahrenheit. Okay. And I'm going to go to pork. So let's find it. You gotta press this to get that to blink to change your mode. Duck, goose, squad, squid. Oh, pork. That's not pork, just pork. Pork, okay. That'll stop blinking and I'll change my time. Preset. Right now the water's 81 degrees and it's set for, it'll tell you, it'll blink back, 176. Okay, but now I'm going to change the time because I'm not going to be home all day. So what time is it now? It's 8 a.m. And I'm going to be home around 5, so I'm going to set this for 9 hours. 9. Okay. And when that stops blinking, that'll be set. Okay, it's all set. Right now the water temperature is 85.4 and the preset is for 176. And that's just going to sit here all day and cook. It's going to be perfect at supper time. Okay, you stop back, maybe I'll have some mashed potatoes or something with it, some corn maybe, I don't know. This is a great invention, I like it. Okay, stop back soon. It'll only be a minute for you, but it'll be all day for me. Enjoy some brown sugar barbecue pork shoulder. Ooh, we can make pulled pork out of that too. But I think I'm gonna have it on a plate with something good. Like a real supper, you know? Now you can go to work, like I'm gonna do a lot of errands today. Just leave this here, set it and forget it. You come home, you're gonna have a tender, fall apart piece of meat. Oh boy, I can't wait. There's about 15 minutes left. This was in here all day. Remember I started at 8 a.m. and I didn't hardly lose any water because of this lid. Kept the evaporation to a minimum. See, it shrunk up a little bit. I'll show you that. But right now I'm going to put corn on the cob in there. For the last 10-15 minutes, put some corn on the cob in there. Oh! Isn't that nice? So I'm going to have corn on the cob in there too. We have some Cajun rub, or what kind of rub is that? This is roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I sprinkled that on the corn. Now the butter's gonna melt real nice. And we're gonna have sous vide corn on the cob with our delicious brown sugar barbecue seasoned pork shoulder. All right, be back in about 15-20 minutes. Time to eat, everybody. Turn off the power, unplug it. Ooh, that's gonna be some good corn. But the meat's gonna be better. Let me put this corn aside. Or, look at it. See the seasoning in there? Let that breathe a couple minutes. Hey! All Let me put this on a plate back here. Want a bite? I put one on my plate. Oh, that smells so good. All buttery in that bag. Hang on. Okay, there's two. Should I pour that butter on there? I think I poured that butter on there. All right. You'll see it when I come over the table. Here we go with the meat. It's hot in there. Okay, this cooked for 9 hours. I'm so excited. I don't want to make a mess in my bin. I'm going to need more plates, I think. Aren't I? I'm going to remove it from the bag. Oh, flavor, smell. I didn't smell that all day because it was so sealed up. Oh, now I'm smelling it. I'm kind of glad I didn't smell it. Well, I wasn't here most of the day. That's why I said it and forget it. Hang on. But you can imagine. Oh. No, it's gonna fall apart. Hang on. Oh, yes. Oh. Hang on. I'm making a mess. I love it. Is that delicious? Beautiful. I'm sure we're gonna cut that with a fork, right? I had a big knife ready, but not today. Look at that. Could make a nice pulled pork right now. Oh. Alright. Come over to the table. This smells like a good old Sunday dinner that I remember. A little extra butter. I had these taters left over. Let's get to the meat. But if I did cut it, look. Talk about butter. You see? Oh. Oh. And that was brown sugar barbecue flavor, if I remember correctly, right? I want some more. What a meal. I like pepper on my taters. I like salt on my corn on the cob. Well, let's try that corn on the cob. I never had sous vide corn on the cob with seasoning on it. Oh, I'm eating. How rude. Okay. Perfect. Delicious. This is another example how you can get something prepared like we did from Wegmans. That meat already sealed in the bag, seasoned, marinated, whatever. Put it in there, go to work, come home. Perfect. Sous vide. Okay, this is a delicious meal. I'm gonna have to eat it quick. Thanks for stopping by. If you got a sous vide, try this. If not, get a sous vide. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. I'll get you one of these days. I did get you once, but you forgot. All right. See ya.